To enable and use theft protection on POCO M8 5G, we're going to start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to locate the fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. Scroll down again and look for privacy. When you enter privacy, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on more security settings. Then go to theft protection, and from here you'll be able to enable a few different settings when it comes to theft protection. First one is theft detection lock. When you activate this, your screen will lock if the settings detect that somebody took your device and started running with it. So if you're standing on the street and you have your phone unlocked, just browsing through it, and somebody grabs it and starts running, then your phone will lock itself. Next thing is offline device lock. Your screen will lock shortly after your device goes offline to help protect your data. Now, if somebody steals your device and it's connected to the network, usually the people that steal phones and smartphones and everything like that, first thing they do is disable a network so that they cannot be tracked. So if they disable and network and your phone loses the internet connection, then that way your screen will lock as well. Next thing is remote lock. If your device is lost or stolen, you can lock your screen from any device by entering your phone number at android.com/lock. So you need to remember this specific website, and when this option is active, you can go to this website and enter your phone number. After that, you'll be able to lock your device by, as I said, going to this website and then locking it there. And last one is find and erase your device. So if you have a Find Hub activated, you can click on right here. Make sure that you also have Google account connected to your phone. Then make sure that this option is activated, and you can go for the Find Hub app. That way, if you enter this app on other device, you'll be able to perform factory reset on your phone. So we should be able to find our POCO M8 5G right here, and then we should be able to factory reset it, but on the other device. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.